I just made some repairs on this. It's a Dodge Journey. Now, y'all know me, man. Y'all know how I like to do. I like to go test drive my car and verify that I made a successful repair. Only way you're gonna do that is to drive the car and find out if the fault returns or anything like that. Now, I'm outside of the shop now. I'm in the car getting ready to go out on the road. What do? I stop. You know why I stop? I want y'all to see something. Take a look at this. Take a look at freaking this. Now, forget about the ABS light on the traction control light. But do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This gas hand, ladies and gentlemen, is on E. Now, I normally like to do a 4 or 5 mile test drive. I am unable to do that right now. Not only am I unable to do that, I'm not going to do that. That is not enough gas to make me feel comfortable enough to test drive your car and verify my repairs. Now, what should you do when you put in this position? One or two things. First of all, now you're finna be out of unnecessary time. No mechanic that works on flat rate or commission wants to be out of time. I'm gonna have to go tell my manager, look, either put some gas in it so I can properly test drive it and find out if I made a successful repair, or simply deliver the car and let the customer deal with it. We here, we don't operate like that. We like to make sure that our repairs was a success. But I want to tell you consumers, all you consumers, basically customers that actually take their car in and get repaired. Man, you take your car in for somebody to look at it, at least have some gas in it. I'm not saying bring it in with a full tank of gas. I'm just saying have enough gas in it where the mechanic can test drive it. Because some of us care. Some of us actually care about the repairs that we make. We want to make sure it was a successful repair. All right, this is terrible, man. I got to go drive. I'm supposed to drive this car. Now, yeah, after the ABS repairs, I can simply easily turn the lights out. But I like the computer to tell me that the problem is fixed. So normally I like replace the speed sensor or whatever and go drive it and the light will go off on their own. That lets me know that the computer saw that it has been repaired. But I am unable to do that now because the gas hand is on E. At any rate, she needs some gas. So again, to the consumers, to the customers, if you take your car into the shop, at least have some gas, enough gas in it to where they can go drive it. All right, that's all I have, man. I got to go. I got a lot of things to do today. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.